You are listening to Lesson 1, Chapter 2 of Form 5 African History. Cameroon General Education. Narrated by Wacheseh Academy. Pan-Africanism. Definition. This is a movement for the unity of Africans against the oppression of the African race, and the restoration of the dignity of the African race. Objectives of the Pan-Africanism. Promotion of understanding and unity within the African race. To promote the feeling of one community among the African people. To work for the emergence of the United States of Africa. To work for the economy, the social and cultural development of Africa. To mobilize world opinion in support of African liberation. To promote the cultural riches of the African race. To restore the honor and dignity of the African race. To liberate the African people from European colonialism. To encourage Africans in the diaspora to return to Africa for the development of their continent. Achievement of Pan-Africanism. It successfully organized conferences. The first in London in 1990, the second in Paris in 1919, which coincided with the Paris Peace Conference and provided a forum for the Africans to mount pressure for self-determination to be extended to Africa. The sixth Pan-African Conference, which took place in Manchester, had prominent Africans in attendance such as Jomo Kenyatta of Kenya, Nkrumah of Ghana, etc. It produced pamphlets or works which promoted African unity, such as The African Movement by Du Bois, The Negro World by Marcus Garvey. The idea of Pan-Africanism helped in the creation of the OAU and other regional organizations in Africa. The idea of Pan-Africanism helped reduce the inferior status of the African race, because it made blacks proud of their race. Failures. The Back to Africa movement campaign launched by Marcus Garvey was a failure. It failed to unite Africans to form the United States of Africa. It failed to liberate most of the Africans from colonial rule by 1960. It failed to stamp out neo-colonialism because Africans continued to regard the European race as superior and found it prestigious to copy their culture, consume their goods at the expense of African products, etc.